MyOS Kwgt is a customizable widget creation application designed for Android users, aimed at enhancing the user interface of their devices. This app allows users to design unique widgets for their home screen using the Kwgt Custom Widget Maker framework, providing extensive options for personalization. With MyOS Kwgt, users can choose from a variety of templates or create their own designs from scratch, incorporating elements such as clocks, weather information, battery status, and shortcuts to apps. The application offers a broad range of customization options, including colors, sizes, fonts, and layouts, enabling users to tailor widgets to match their personal style and preferences. The app is particularly popular among Android enthusiasts and those who enjoy theming their devices, as it allows for a high degree of creativity and individuality. Additionally, MyOS Kwgt often includes community-shared widgets and templates, fostering collaboration and inspiration among users. Overall, the application serves as a powerful tool for anyone looking to elevate their Android experience through personalized widget designs.